Hey guys, it's Tina from FreeStuffFinder.com here to cover the best freebies and deals this week at Target and CVS. We have a total of 16 deals. Let's dive in. First off, at Target, the Febreze scented oil warmers are still available if you can find them at your store. They are sold out at my store. You can get these for free using just your phone. So they are regularly priced for $2.99 if you can find them at your store. We still have that $3 off one-time use coupon inside Cartwheel that you can use. So really straightforward, pick it up for $2.99 using the $3 off coupon, and this is free. Next, we have Plum Organic baby food that you can get for 19 cents, really inexpensive. So this deal uses Fetch Rewards where you can currently get 2,000 points from Fetch Rewards when you buy two any size Plum Organic products. 2,000 points in Fetch Rewards is the equivalent of $2, and if you're brand new, you can get an additional $2 in sign-up bonus when you put in a referral code. You're welcome to use my referral code. It is D9JFM, and you can always, get your referral code and send it to your friends. So anyways, if you're new, you can get $2 in addition to the $2 here. And what's nice about Fetch Rewards is that you can cash out at $3. So you don't have to wait until like a $20 threshold. You can cash out right away. An Amazon gift card or a Target gift card, so really easy. This is a no-brainer. The cheapest Plum Organic baby food is $1.19. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up two for $1.19 each. You're gonna leave the store paying $2.38, and then you're gonna submit to Fetch Rewards. So I did test that this morning and got 2,000, a little bit more than 2,000 points back, which is the equivalent of getting back $2, making the final price 38 cents for both, or 19 cents each. Next, we have an easy deal on Teddy Graham snacks that you can get for 54 cents, and it's super easy to do. You can actually stock up and get a whole bunch. So they are regularly priced for $2.09, all the Nabisco snack sacks. So what you wanna do is you wanna pick up two of the Teddy Graham snack sacks because there's a cashback offer to make them into 54 cents. Plus, we currently have a very high value 50% off Cartwheel that works on all Nabisco snack sacks, all the different varieties. So that's gonna take off $2.09. You're gonna leave the store paying $2.09. And inside checkout 51, there is currently a Teddy Graham cashback on $1 on two. So $1 cashback on two. That cashback offer has a limit of 5. You don't need to buy all of them in the same transaction, so you can do it over multiple transactions. That checkout 51 ends on Wednesday, and it might reset after Wednesday. So after getting the $1 cashback, the final price is $1.09 for both sacks, or 54 cents per bag. There's also a 75-cent insert coupon that you could potentially use, but then you can't use the checkout 51 because the checkout 51 does have the restriction of not being able to combine with coupons, so use one or the other. I just did the checkout 51 because it's higher value, and yeah, higher value, easier to do than having to clip coupons. Next, we have a deal on Barilla Ready Pasta Pouches. I love these because they're really quick, and you can get them for 50 cents this week. They are normally $1.99, so it's a really big discount, and there's different coupons that you can use. So they are on sale this week. They're actually on sale until September 29th for $1.50 each. So normally $1.99 on sale for $1.50. We currently have a $1 printable coupon that we can use. Alternatively, there is an insert version of that $1 off coupon that you can use. So really straightforward. You pick it up for $1.50 using the $1 off coupon, and you leave the store paying, or final price is just 50 cents. You leave the store paying 50 cents. Alternatively, if you don't have a printer or you don't have access to that coupon, you can also do this in Saving Star cashback. So inside Saving Star, there is a $1 cashback that you can use on this. That cashback offer doesn't allow you to combine with coupons, so you can't mix and match between the printable coupon and also using that. So if you don't have the coupon, what you could do is you could just buy this for $1.50, pay $1.50, and then submit for the Saving Star to get $1 back, making it also 50 cents. But again, Saving Star, you want to activate the offer before you shop. And by the way, if you're brand new, you're wondering, where do I get the coupons? You can find everything outlined in the show notes. You can find the show notes as a little link in the description box on YouTube. If you're watching this on mobile, you can look for the little down triangle in this corner. Click on it to expand to find the description box and the show notes. The show notes is an outline of everything we're covering in this video, including links to any printable coupons and also references to any cashback offers, but just detailed notes so you can follow along after the video and do some of the deals. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe and tap the little bell next to the subscribe button for notification. Every week, I randomly pick out a winner from people that comment within the first 2 hours for these FSF bracelets and also other surprises. So turning on notification will let you know when new videos go out. One of the category coupons this week is in laundry and household. You can get a $5 in Target gift card when you spend $25 or more in the laundry and household department. You can get this Target coupon in the weekly ad like this. You can also get this inside the Target app under wallets. As always, there's a lot of different scenarios that you can do. I will cover 3 example scenarios that you can do using this coupon, okay? So the first example scenario is on Bounty paper towel. I have a whole bunch sitting over there. My husband thinks it looks really ugly out here, so they're out there. You can get 5 packs of Bounty paper towel, and they work out to be 62 cents per big roll of paper towel that you can get. Okay, so the Bounty Essential Big Roll Paper Towel, they come in a pack of 6 rolls, are regularly priced for $5.79. So in one scenario, what you could do is you can pick up 5 packs. That makes your subtotal into $28.95, which kicks you over to $25. And then you're gonna scan the category coupon, which is gonna give you the $5 in gift card. Inside Cartwheel in the Target app, there is a 25 cents off coupon, one-time use that you can use. So using that coupon, you leave the store paying $28.70 for all 5 packs, and then you're gonna get back $5 in Target gift card. And inside iBought there is a $1 cashback that you can use that has a limit of 5 on the same transaction. So submitting for that 5 times, you'll get $5 back, or rather you submit it one time, and then for quantity, hit plus until it says 5. So you'll get $5 back, making the final price $18.70 for all 5 packs, or $3.74 per pack. That works out to be 62 cents per roll of toilet paper, or paper towel. Another example scenario you can do is on the Up & Up brand toilet paper. They come in a pack of 36 rolls. Final price works out to be 29 cents per double roll. Still a really great price. We've seen deals on the toilet paper a few weeks ago, so this week I wanted to get the paper towel because I'm low on paper towel. But okay, so the toilet paper, the 36 pack is regularly priced for $13.49. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up 2 packs. That makes your subtotal $26.98. And then you're gonna scan the category coupon that's gonna give you the $5 in gift card. And then inside Cartwheel, there is currently a 5% off Cartwheel on Up & Up brand toilet paper that you can use. So using that, that's gonna take off $1.35. You leave the store paying $25.63, and then you're gonna get back the $5 in gift card from this. That makes your final price $20.63 for both packs, or $10.32 per pack. And again, there's 36 rolls of toilet paper in there, making the final price 29 cents per roll of toilet paper. While at Target, I also spotted Kleenex packs on clearance, and I scanned it, and they fit for the category coupon. So if you spot that at your store, you can also do a scenario using it as well. The sign at my store was 15% off, but they actually were 30% off if you look at the clearance sticker for $4.18. So you can mix and match with the toilet paper and paper towel, or you can do a scenario using just the clearance Kleenex. So for example, just for example's sake, you can pick up 6 packs of the clearance Kleenex for $4.18. That makes your subtotal $25.08. So it's just 8 cents over the threshold. And then you're gonna scan the category coupon that's gonna give you the $5 in gift card. And currently inside Cartwheel, there is a 75 cents manufacturer coupon, one-time use in Cartwheel that you can use. So you leave the store paying $24.33, and then you're gonna get back the $5 in gift card from this, making a final price $19.33 for all 6 packs or 6 bundles, or $3.22 per bundle or per pack. Each bundle comes with 4 boxes of Kleenex, making the final price 81 cents per box of Kleenex and no coupons. Next, we have a deal on Simply Summer's Eve that you can get for $1.05. They are normally $2.99, so it was a really big discount. So they are regularly priced for $2.99. We currently have a very high value 40% off on Summer's Eve products, or Simply Summer's Eve products that you can use. And there is a $1.50 off 2 printable coupon that you can use. So really straightforward. What you can do is you can pick up 2 of these, and then using the cartwheel and then the $1.50 off 2 printable coupon, making a final price $2.09 for both, or $1.05 per box. Next, we have a deal on Emergency Immune Plus Citrus Drink Mix. This is actually one of my favorite products, not necessarily the citrus variety. I usually get the orange, but this you can get for $3.99. They are normally $11, so it's a really big discount. I didn't have the coupon with me, so I didn't get it, but I will go back to get it. Especially with the fall coming, I always get sick, so I try to take like vitamin C, like the drink mix, just so I don't get sick. Clearly I'm like sick right now. I didn't start taking it until this week. Anyway, so they are regularly priced for $11.99. We currently have a 50% off Target cartwheel that works on the citrus variety. And currently there is a $2 off printable coupon that you can use. So really straightforward. You pick one up using the cartwheel and the $2 off coupon. You leave the store paying $3.99. They're normally $11.99, so it's more than 50% off. Very exciting news this week is all the RedCard holders can save 10% off their purchases this week with a coupon. You can get the coupon inside the Target app, and it's a one-time use coupon, and it's pretty sweet. And if you're not currently a RedCard holder, this is a killer week to sign up for it. Okay, so for those of you that sign up for the RedCard this week, between the 16th and the 22nd, you can get a $30 off, $100 off coupon mailed to you. So that's pretty cool when you apply for it. So it's for anyone that's new and you apply for it this week, so you can get the 30% off and probably the 10% off as well. I'm not sure because I'm already a RedCard holder and I got the coupon inside the app, so I'm not sure if you can combine both of them. So really exciting news this week. Also, tomorrow, Tuesday, there is a cartwheel offer on Halloween costumes for 40% off. This happens every year for one day in stores, and it's always on a Tuesday, and it's gonna be tomorrow. So depending on when you watch this, you might wanna head to Target because it's just a day to stock up on Halloween costumes. It's the day I go to get Halloween costumes every year for my kids and also for my husband and I. Also, there is a 40% off cartwheel on Halloween candy, bagged candy, that is also one day only on Tuesday. So very exciting day to stock up on Halloween stuff, costumes and accessories. It's not on Halloween decorations, just on Halloween costumes and accessories. And I go every year because it's the best time to go before Halloween, and you have lots of selection. Most stores are just kind of like unpacking their Halloween stuff, so you have like a lot of selection. Next, I had to CVS, and the sweetest deal, for me at least, was on these Revlon nail clippers that I was able to get for free. So I don't know if this is on all accounts, but I got a $4 off on any Revlon Cosmetics CRT that was printing in the red box machine. So definitely go to the stores, put in your phone number to see if that coupon prints out for you too. Again, I don't know if it's in all accounts, but the Revlon nail clippers are just $3.99 regular price. So if you have that coupon, you can use it on this, making this free. I did test this and the coupon went through with no problems. So yeah, so if you got that coupon, look for these nail clippers, $3.99, $4 off, making it free. Next, we have a deal on Scott toilet paper or paper towel deal. The sale this week is spend $20, get $5 back in extra bucks. The limit for that is 1. The Scott toilet paper is $6.99 and the paper towel is $5.49. So there's 2 different scenarios that you can do. The first scenario is on toilet paper, which is what I did. The Scott toilet paper, again, is $6.99, and there's 2 different varieties. There's the Scott 1000, which comes with 12 rolls, And then there's also the Scott Comfort Plus, which comes in a pack of 18 rolls. They're both $6.99. We currently have a 75 cents off printable coupon that we can use. Alternatively, there's a 50 cents off insert coupon from Smart Source 99. There's also a printable version of that coupon as well. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up 3 packs of the toilet paper, use 3 of the 75 cents off printable coupon. You leave the store paying $18.72, and then you're gonna get back the $5 in extra bucks, making the final price $13.72 for all 3 packs, or $4.57 per pack. Again, the Comfort Plus comes in a roll of comes in a pack of 18 rolls, making a final price 25 cents per roll. So that's a really good price. Alternatively, scenario number 2, you can get the Scott paper towel. They are $5.49. So in this scenario, what you could do is you pick up 4 packs of the paper towel, and then there is currently a 75 cents off printable coupon on the paper towel, which is a different coupon from the toilet paper. So use 4 of those. You're gonna leave the store paying $18.96, and then you're gonna get back the $5 in extra bucks, making a final price $13.96 for all 4 packs, or $3.49 per pack, making them just 58 cents per roll. So you can do one or the other, but not both. You can mix and match, but the final price works out to be cheaper if you stick to one type, so either paper towel or toilet paper. And lastly, at CVS, you can get the Physicians Formula Instant Ready Glide On Gel Eyeliner for just 99 cents, and it's easy to do. We had this deal maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I am a huge fan of Glide On Gel eyeliners. I use them for like my bottom lid. I don't know if that's too much information, but they just go on really easy. And I don't like normal pencils because they don't go on very easy. So anyway, the sale is for Physicians Formula is on promotion this week, or on sale for buy 2. Any 2 Physicians Formula get $10 back in extra bucks. The limit for that is 1. One of the cheapest items that you can get is the gel eyeliner. They are $5.99, around $5.99. The price will vary by store. I've seen it for even lower in some regions of $5.79. In my store, it was $5.99. So you could pick up 2 of those. In my store, they were $11.98 for both, and then that's what you end up paying. And then you get back $10 in extra bucks, making the final price $1.98 for both, or 99 cents each. So those are some of the deal highlights for this week. Head on over to freestufffinder.com for the latest deals and freebie offers posted every day. And while you're over there, remember to sign up for email updates to get handpicked deals sent to your inbox every day. And keep an eye out for giveaways that I'm doing just over on the blog, and I'm posting a new giveaway every single day. If you're on Snapchat, make sure to follow me over there and send me a DM to let me know you came from YouTube so I can say hi. And to get notified for urgently hot deals, sign up for text alerts. You can do that over at freestufffinder.com/alert. You can also get to that page by clicking on right here. Leave a comment for me below. Let me know what deals you plan to do this week, or what deals you've scored already, or if you have any questions. And again, if you're brand new to this channel, make sure to hit subscribe and tap the little bell for notification, and I will see you next week for more deals. Have a great week. Bye. Hope you get some Halloween costumes.